What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So we have a new update rolling out for OnePlus 7 series, which is the second closed beta update for OnePlus 7, 7 Pro, 7T and 7T Pro, and it's based on ColorOS 12.1. So in this video, let's quickly take a look what all changes they have done with this latest update of closed beta. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see guys, I have my OnePlus 7 Pro. Let me show you the software information. Under Android version is 12, which gets the 5th April 2022 security patch. If you take a look at the ColorOS version, it says version 12.1 and the build number is H.12. So this is the latest build of ColorOS 12.1 for closed beta testers. And guys, I won't recommend you guys to flash any closed beta files on your OnePlus 7 series, because previously we are aware what happened after flashing first closed beta. Though the closed beta was fine, but people who downgraded their device back to Android 11, or you can say OS 11, they messed up with the auto rotation. So if you are the one, here is a video which is being displayed on the screen. You guys can watch this video to fix the auto rotation issues. But if you guys want to run closed beta, there are no issues with the auto rotation stuff. And before moving ahead, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. And still we have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. First, let's take a look at the benchmark results on this latest build. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 754 and multi-core have scored 2652. With Antutu benchmark, scores are 5,78,745. We also did CPU throttling test and the performance was great. Max CPU throttled up to 85% and average GIPs were also quite high. We did not see any kind of dips in the graph too. So it's the second closed beta update for OnePlus 7 series. Very soon, after almost 3 or 4 closed beta updates, we might get to see the first beta update based on ColorOS 12.1, or you can say OS 12.1. And if you guys wish to install, download links are present in the description below. Just download the file and do a local upgrade. Right now files are only present for OnePlus 7 Pro. Soon I'll be updating all the files for other OnePlus 7 series devices. So with the first changelog of this second closed beta, they have optimized the overall performance of the device, and till now I did not find any kind of major issues. Basic functionalities works great, no issues at all. Animations are more smoother, no app crashes to be found yet. On the previous update, users reported some issues related to charging, but personally I did charge the device up to 100%. And there were no charging issues, or you can say delay in the charging speed. Later they have fixed the issues unlocking device using fingerprint unlock, wherein few users might have reported this issue. But after this update, which is closed beta 2, I don't find any kind of issues unlocking the device using fingerprint unlock or even face unlock. With fingerprint and face unlock feature, device gets instantly unlocked. After that, next fix is related to flickering of screen on the lock screen, though I never faced such issue on the previous build too. But as said, these are closed beta updates. Some users might face different issues and some might not face any issue. After that, next fix is related to this brightness slider, which wasn't being displayed on the entire screen for some users, but right now I personally feel it's taking the required space. And the last fix is related to camera application. On the previous build, users might have reported flashback issues when turning on super stable mode for the video recording stuff, but right now if we try to enable super steady mode, I don't see any kind of flashback issues or camera crashes. Last changelog of this closed beta 2 is related to data network connectivity. So here they have done some optimizations, though personally I never faced any kind of issues related to data network connectivity on the previous build, but here they have done some optimizations. So guys, these were some of the changes what OnePlus have done with the second closed beta of ColorOS 12.1 for OnePlus 7 series users. If you still have any kind of questions related to this particular build, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. And also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.